everyone, welcome to this educational platform Vidyarthi. We are going to discuss calculation of electron, proton, neutron in and compound, calculation of charge and concept of density in this lecture. So let's begin. So our first topic is calculation of electron, proton and neutron. Let us start with the calculation of total number of electrons. According to the equation, total number of electrons is equals to number of molecules into number of electrons per molecules. Means the number of electrons present per molecules into total number of molecules present there gives us total number of electrons. Let us take an example of 1 mole CH4. For 1 mole CH4, number of electrons will be given by number of molecules into number of electrons per molecules, and we have to discuss number of molecule and number of electron per molecule for calculating number of electrons. So number of molecules is equals to number of mole into Na, which is discussed in the earlier lecture, and number of molecules is equals to 1 into Na, because number of mole given in the question is 1 mole. So number of molecules is equals to Na. And moving forward, number of electrons per molecules is the summation of total number of electrons present in the molecules. So for the carbon CH4 molecules, carbon atom has 6 electrons, all 4 hydrogen atoms combinedly give 4 electrons, so total 10 electrons. So number of electrons will be given by number of molecules into number of electrons per molecule, which is equals to Na into 10 electrons. Now we have to study total number of protons. Total number of proton is given by number of molecules into number of protons present per molecule. So for calculation of total number of proton, we have to discuss total number of molecules and total number of proton present in a molecules. So let us take an example of 1 mole glucose. For 1 mole glucose, the number of molecules will be given by number of moles into Na, which is given, number of mole given in the question is 1 mole, so the number of molecules is equals to Na molecules. And for the number of protons per molecules is 36 plus 12 plus 48, which is for carbon, hydrogen and oxygen respectively combinedly give 96 protons. So number of proton is equals to 96 into Na. Now moving forward, we have to study number of neutron. Number of neutron is equals to number of molecules into number of neutrons per molecules. For 1 mole ions of SO4 2 minus, total number of neutrons will be given by Na into total number of neutron present per molecules. Total number of neutron present per molecules, which is 16 plus 32 48. So the number of neutron will be given by Na into 48. Our next topic is calculation of charge. Calculation of charge. We will discuss it with an example of SO4 2 minus. SO4, we see that SO4 2 minus have a charge of 2 electrons. And we know that charge of 1 electron is equals to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So for the charge of 2 electrons will be given by minus 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. It is very easy. Similarly, for 1 mole of SO4 2 minus have a charge of 2 Na electrons. So for 2 electrons we have already calculated that minus 2 into 10 to the power 1 as minus 19 coulomb into Na, where Na is Avogadro's number, which is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So the charge of 1 mole of SO4 2 minus have a charge of equals to minus 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now we have to discuss concept related to density. Density are of two types: absolute density and relative density. Absolute density is the normal density, which we all know about that, and the relative density is somehow different from absolute density. We will first discuss absolute density, which is the normal density. We all know about it. It is equals to the mass per unit volume. Density is equals to mass by volume. Absolute density is used for either solid, liquid or gas. And the subtopic is density calculation for gas. According to the ideal gas equation, PV is equals to nRT. Don't worry about that. It will be discussed in other topic, gas state, where P is equals to pressure of gas, B is equals to volume of gas, N is equals to number of mole, M is equals to molar mass of the gas, and R is the gas constant, which is equals to 0.0821 liter ATM per Kelvin per mole. According to the ideal gas equation, PV is equals to nRT, where the N is the number of mole, which can be written as given mass by molar mass, which is W by M. So PV is equals to W by M RT. Now we will take M on the LHS side and B on the RHS side. So PM is equals to W by B RT, where W by B is equals to mass by volume, which is equals to density. So PM is equals to density is an important formula for deriving density. So density is equals to Pm by RT. Now we will discuss a question based on the above concept. The question is find a density of O2 gas in a 2 medium ATM container and a temperature equals to 27 degrees Celsius. We will first change temperature in Kelvin to, so for changing the temperature in Kelvin we will add 273 in it, so the temperature will become 300 Kelvin. Now according to the above formula, D is equals to Pm by RT. D is equals to 2 into 32 by 0.0821 into 300, and which will approximately give 2.6 in gram per liter. Now we will discuss calculation of density for the mixture of gases, which is similar to the above topic, calculation of density of gases, which is, so above formula is D is equals to Pm by RT. For the mixture, D density of mixture is equals to P M mixture by RT, where M mixture is molar mass of the mixture and D mixture is the density of the mixture, which is approximately similar to the above formula. D is equals to Pm by RT. For the calculation of density of mixture of gases, there are three types of question which can be asked from us, which can be differed by changing the clues for finding the molar mass of the mixture. So the case one is a percentage composition of the mixture is given. Let us take an example. If gaseous mixture have 78% nitrogen gas and 22% oxygen gas by weight or by volume, then mean molar mass will be find by 78 into 28 plus 22 into 32 by 100, which is approximately equals to 28.88 gram. So the next type is if number of mole of each gas of gaseous mixture are given, and the example for this is gaseous mixture of 2 mole O2 and 1 mole N2 and 2 mole helium. So the mean molar mass will be given by 2 into 32 plus 1 into 28 plus 2 into 4 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 is equals to 20. This is the another type on which the calculation of gaseous mixture, density of the gaseous mixture can be asked from us. And the next topic and the last type on which the question will be asked, if mole ratio of the gaseous mixtures are given. And the example given is gaseous mixture having mole ratio O2 N2 and CH4 1 is to 2 is to 3. Then we will take the ratio be X. So the number of mole of oxygen gas will be X, and number of mole of the nitrogen gas will be 2x, and the number of mole of the methane gas is 3x. Molar mass average will be given by 32x plus 22 into 2x plus 16 into 3x by x plus 2x plus 3x, which is approximately equals to. Now comes the another form of density, which is relative density. It is the density of gas with respect to density of other gas. Example, density of A relative to the density of B will be written as d of density of A by density of B. Example, we can take the example of density of O2 relative to density of methane, which can be written as density of O2 by density of methane. And now is the vapor density. Vapor density is a type of relative density, which vapor density, we can say that vapor density is a relative density, but all relative density is not a vapor density. The definition of vapor density is it is a relative density of any gas with respect to density of hydrogen gas. It is used only for gas. So we will take an example. Vapor density of A will be written as density of A by density of hydrogen gas. That's all for the day. Thank you.